Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching y'all how to get a soundboard on Roblox. So first, what you want to do is have sorry guys, my dad was, kinda just interrupting it. Anyways, you want to you want to go over to right here, which I'm going to do real quick. And then you want to search up you want to search up voice mod right here. You want to download it. After you have it downloaded, open it. It should do this. Download and update. Ooh, this might take a while actually. Usually it takes a while. What is a Sigma? Oh, okay. After that is done. Oh, okay. So after that, you press this X unless you wanna do that. It's $50, which is crazy. Anyway, anyways, you might have some different sounds. Oh, what? I don't know what that was, but oh yeah. Okay, so you can add sounds. So like, what's that noise? Jesus. Hold up. Sorry guys. I was doing something. Anyways, you can add sounds by pressing this, and there should be. Press that. Oh, okay. So, I have a thing right here, but yeah, you can add sounds and stuff. You can also discover new sounds like this one. So it's basically just the phrase soundboard, but the thing is, if you want to have more voices, then you can buy um you can buy Pro and yeah, that's basically what it is. And I also have a crystal narrator. I think that's what it says. And here's how to hook it up to Roblox. So you have to do this on PC too. Wait for that. Yep. And then so basically I'm gonna go on neighbors and stuff. You're also gonna need voice chat. If you don't have it, it's that icon right there. Ooh, 50. Okay. So if you go to right here, you go to settings, scroll down. Yours might be like right here, but if not, then you're good right here. And then what you gotta do is open voice mod and play sounds. Or just do something. I don't know. So like this. Ooh. Yeah, I like this. This is my favorite voice. So yeah, that's how to get the soundboard. Bye bye.